Hello and welcome to Inside Alausa. This is the program that tells you everything you need to know about the current administration here in Lagos. My name is Nimat Aleshinloye.
And I'm Adelele. It's a good day to you viewers of Inside Alausa on the Bile.tv.
Okay, so Abdel, what has been happening with the government?
Okay, a lot of things have been happening. Not initially, but I think that was yesterday. I said Babajide Sanwo-Olu is trying to make sure that everything is done as soon as possible, trying to make sure, because I still have to emphasize on this rehabilitation of road. Yesterday, palliative measures were taken at the last right and crushed stones along K2 roundabout Ekpe by Okeoshun inward K2 Ekpe by the Lagos State Public Work Official, because trying to make sure that they try to fix all the roads in Lagos State. So they started this thing long before now, and are trying to make sure that everything is done according to that. Because if you look at what is happening in Lagos State, everything is being scheduled. They have some time they are going to go to one particular local government, another time to go to another local government, and the LSPWs are trying to make sure that they do this thing before the end of the month.
That's really interesting. Also, the BOSKOH Bee Project, the BOSKOH Health Bee Project is still ongoing in other local government area, and yesterday it was third day and today is the fourth day, and yesterday they had over 750 turnouts in Idungon local area, the public health center rather. So a lot of people are buying this idea, coming out and talking to this health workers, and it's a really good one, because it's not easy for people to come out and tell you what is wrong with them. So if they have the courage to come out, that means that the government has done something courageous for them to be able to say what is in their mind. Okay,
and funny enough, from out of the 750, everybody was attended to that yesterday, because according to the time they came in. Okay, if you are here by the time 8 o'clock now, we are going to be attended to, and they were given certain number, like number 1, number 2 to the last number of 750. All registered patients were attended to and treated, while some were referred to general hospital for surgery, because it is a primary health center. You don't expect them to have everything or them to attend to everything. But they were referred to general hospital, and going to the general hospital, are not going to pay a dime, because it is what they call the BOSKOH, that is BOSKOH project.
Exactly. The Lagos State government has reiterated its commitment to strengthening public health research and boosting the capacity of healthcare workers toward achieving the item 3 of the Sustainable Development Goal. Governor Babajide Olusola spoke at the yearly symposium of the African Forum for Research and Education in Health, where he assured the audience of his administration willingness to pursue action and policy framework that will help the state improve on universal health coverage indices. To demonstrate our readiness, I have promised that my cabinet will have a government representative who would be involved in decision making at the cabinet level, and whose responsibility would ensure that Lagos has up-to-date tracking of our progress in SDGs, especially health, education, safe water and environment. We have signed on to deliver all these goals.
Exactly. He also said in demonstration of his commitment to improve the quality of healthcare in Lagos State, the governor disclosed that he would be appointing a cabinet rank official that would constantly monitor the state performance in realizing the 3, that is SDG, particularly by the goal 3, which is to ensure universal health coverage and elimination of inequality in the state.
He also said the African government needs to engage and create an environment that will ensure seamless implementation of plans, financial strategies that will cut waste, partnership that will strengthen the outcome, and clear line of communication and outreach. Capacity building and skill development must also be improved on, including greater participation of women in health research.
The event, which was chaired by the Vice Chancellor of the University of Lagos State, Professor Oluwatoyin Ogudipe, was also graced by the immediate past Minister of Health, Professor Isaac Adewale, and the Vice Chancellor of the University of Ibadan, Professor Idowu Olayinka, among other dignitaries.
And that's a very good one, because health is a very core thing. Like they say, health is wealth. So if you are not healthy, there will be no way for you to make money for the state.
And it's part of his team, THEME.
Exactly. Also, the Deputy Governor, Dr. Obafemi Hamzat, was at the Fidelity SME Funding Connect program that held at Landmark yesterday. The winner of the event actually went home with about 4 million naira, which, wow. So it's a big deal actually for the fact that Fidelity is hosting this is a very good one. They spoke with a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of people that would actually boost your career as an entrepreneur. So it's a very good one, and the Deputy Governor representing the governor of Lagos State was a very good one from that side.
Okay, looking at this government, especially in Lagos State, because I was trying to emphasize on why did someone visited one particular area, and they had what they call SDG meeting, and also deputy governor is also going to another place, trying to make sure that not just like because I'm the governor, I'm the only one going to attend to all this issue, but we have to make sure that we are a team. We are going to divide everything according to our plan. So Dr. Obafemi Hamzat visited the Fidelity SME, while the governor of Lagos also visited another place, meaning they are working. And at the end of the day, they are going to say, okay, this is what we've done. What are we going to do to make everything achievable?
Yeah, so it's a very good one from the combined team.
Combined team, exactly.
Yeah, exactly, because teamwork is everything that makes it go. And like they say, if you want to go far, work alone. If you want to go higher, I can't really remember the quotes, but I'm sure a lot of people understand what I'm saying. Exactly. So you need to work together as a team to be able to go further than you can actually imagine.
Okay, not just only that, because some states might just be lucky. The government is going to be the one doing all it, because we can experience what is happening in other states in Nigeria. But in Lagos State, everybody is working together, both the governor and the deputy governor, and not just
their wives.
And their wives. That's true. And their wives also. At least they are trying to make sure that everything is done as soon as possible.
Alright, that's all we have for you this morning on Inside Alausa. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Ibile TV. Follow us on our social media pages at Ibile TV Lagos. Drop your comment on any of our platforms, and do ensure you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.